Okay, my do people, when I well done. Today, now another different kind of program. Now we get for you today. Now know me. My name now Chris Osa Ayemie Owango. So this program, so they call on Matter Parliament. We dey settle matter for this place. Matter yakba, matter plenty for we those states. Everywhere don cast since morning. Since yesterday, we don hear many things. Meanwhile, the matter we wan settle today, so na very delicate matter. We be say e concern our governor Godwin Obaseki. He don talk say he go school, but right now wetin we come dey see, we come dey hear say the school wey he go, they say the result na fake o. We come say who go meet me settle this matter now. I come say make I contact Donald Trump for America. He say he busy. He say he busy, say he no fit come Nigeria right now come settle this matter. I say okay, go settle this matter for us now. I go say okay, best way say we fit call make it talk for the matter. He be like say you don get many experience for this matter and we on the ground. So na be Comrade Tony Adun Kabaka. He go talk for this matter. Whether he fit settle am, me never know. But we go dey hope say he go fit talk for the matter. If you no fit settle am, we we'll go meet Buhari. Me settle the matter for us. So na me call there. So Mr. Tony Kabaka or Bokian.
You are welcome.
This program now Pidgin English. Oh,
okay.
Pidgin English with the be left for here. We know look English because but say people who don't go school. Some of them produce certificates. They say na forge. Now we come here say we talk for the matter. What do you see for this matter? So we say they say certificates. They say na forge. They say and so you can't get credits. Because in enter university. We call the imagine now this matter be say how you enter university where you don't get 3 credits and the matter now we bring committee so make you talk for the matter. I beg Nyanos.
You're welcome, my brother. The question where you ask, I want to get unclear. My name's Comrade Tony Kabaka. Then ask your question. Ask me your question again.
Okay. The question now be say they don't talk say governor he get 3 credits for WAEC when he writes. Then they come talk again say he talk say he go University of Ibadan. Okay, the matter be say we need to settle now. Be say if you get 3 credits for WAEC, how you take go University of Ibadan? Now the matter we dey settle since last week with this. Now say me you talk about the matter.
Well, the credits cannot be determined by anybody, cannot be judged by anybody, but with what we are, with waiting would they see, me I not go speak. No. Me I speak big Pidgin. With waiting would they see. You know, let me start. If you want to make example of school, where you go reach, you go talk on. Then on they beat you for the matter. Like me, I go primary school. I go secondary school. My classmates they full this Benin. My teacher will teach me some did this Benin, and we grow up here. If you go school, yeah, you must get your age group when I gotta go to school. Even though it not be your age group. Like me, when I dey go school, from secondary school I can't enter North. The year 1985, I enter North. So now, when I come back from North, the year 1982, you dey hear me so?
I dey hear you, Baba.
The North where I go to, school, everybody know how school did then. But when I come back home, all my mates don't do university. I get to start again from primary school because my father is a discipline man. And say the way I'm reading and writing, he did not like it that much. go back to primary school. My mother was worried. So based on man with principle as a soldier, we have to follow his law. So that is what that make me to have little experience. You know, before I talk, I don't speak good English. That make me get little experience about reading and writing. You see, school not be waiting until they lie. Where you go reach, talk am. They know the people they rule with primary school. People they rule with secondary school. If not there you go reach. You know, like our deputy governor. I know the qualification we take the rule us. He not use masters. He not use graduates. He use what do you call it? WAEC result. I don't know if you understand. Okay, now we do research. We see and say he not talk like for where it go reach. You see, I too much dey happy say now some people just dey speak English because of the group for Ajeboas. You just say they go school. So not even go school because I get some friends that time. If they do MC, if you hold mind today they speak English, you go away. But me know how to read and write person. But if you speak English, so some people are there like that. You know, this result of 18, you don't feel hide down. Even though you go do anything, you don't feel hide down. Your friends, they know you. I don't know if you understand.
I did.
Your age group, they know you. People where you talk so yeah, they know their gang. And you see this thing of a result. If someone pay me for Nigeria, say, Nigeria, sorry, we want to get justice from judiciary. But the way the judiciary handle this result of 18, I don't tell you lie, I know they okay. You get result, yes. Bring on. Cause you not supposed to take time. Do you know how many years that Nobi started this case? I don't know what he played. Our God and not be dropping case. I'm not sure say that they can't follow up. Another group now, and I take this one up. We don't want what it happen for Bayelsa. Make it happen here. Listen, because deputy governor, we innocent governor for Bayelsa, no use and lost chances. Now deputy governor no go school, he can't affect governor. So I beg, we don't suffer well. We don't labor for APC. We don't want me to die because the APC they reign for our time. We hold on strong. We don't want me. Everybody know. But if we come to gamble with this APC governorship, you'll be like say our party don't know what that they do. Because this is governorship, and I don't say if you look the body sign of everybody. Like the way my brother talking, they know they tell man say they are fed off of this present government. You don't understand?
I get you.
Because we they fight one for one place, result they do in one for one place, and then they carry party they go court for one side. You understand? Come be like say man, we don't need this crisis before. If our brother behave well, we don't need all these things. What did your happen and just? Even though people they give me wrong advice, I'll use my sense now. In life, you don't politicians, they are politicians. After government, you come back to politics. You see, and the only disgrace we pay me pass. You they tell people we do like this inside sun. Some go they put water for head. Some you go use back rest for war because of the stress of campaign. You want call them, you say that they ask you money. You say they are hungry politicians. My brother, I don't know. For me, governor not they tell too much. Governor they get result. If na person na deceive my brother, you know they wait for him. Because my brother, my junior brother Mandela, he see this thing, oh, he talk, they not take. I see this thing, I talk, they not take. They mislead my brother. And as a man, you don't enter position, you just back door against your people. Let them have access to you. Maybe you have idea that you can contribute to the government. Maybe you have a good information. He shut the door against them. To the extent he come to say, enige if una wan come government house make una go dey take approval from palace and palace don send all those things. Palace na father of everybody, you know. Palace na many things dey wey palace just do like this.
Smart, eh?
You know understand? You know wetin pain me pass where me know say if you watch my video when my problem start with this government, I no tell you lie o. Anybody wey dey follow up make dem go back go start am.
Okay.
Our baba come go Abuja. Ọba Atọ́pẹ́ ẹbú Abuja Atọ́pẹ́ ọba Ìdòrè. Ọba Atọ́pẹ́. Baba come go Abuja. Go tell president say my pikin, two of them dey fight. This fight wey dem dey fight so e no go well for Benin. Things go fit you because this matter get as e be. Baba comot for house wan go mediate make problem no dey, wan go settle matter make people who wan join him make dem resolve this matter wey dey ground between these two brothers of Edo pikin. Could you believe as our baba dey there another thing dey go on here.
The matter long go.
The wetin dey baffle me, then go dey call for settlement, dem go dey chook you, dem go dey, you know person wey dey chisel your belle if e dey cry dem know and e cover you, dem no know the one wey dey do bad for inside. Na wetin me come see for the whole matter because settlement go dey go on, another thing go dey take. You see this over smart at times you go leave your over smart mean say you wan feel say you wise, you go throw away that one first. Pride will not help in this life. Pride as the person wey dey raise body na I mean by pride. You see Oshomole fit rule for here. Me I get crisis with Oshomole 3 times. If I beg he go forgive me. If he look he go call me. He do unto many people. In life you break up and make up, but this one nobody do anything. After swearing in part and chain, no politician can go to government house, fit go government house. Many things, many things. If you look during this time of this government, 9 months of our youth take die for Libya road, die for Libya sea, die for Mediterranean sea. Some lost their life, some just lost because even some parents dey tell their children, you no dey see your mate. I never reach your age when I start to dey help my family. All of them want better for life, they enter street. If our state good, I remember Calabar people before would not be Calabar, I mean Akwa Ibom and Calabar. Me I don't think because I don't know them like that. They come dey do house girl here, ask help. But with time, you no see Calabar people again. I remember Ghana people dey come here, come dey do shoemaker. You understand? But today, Ghana dey their place, they dey comfortable. You see, in life, even though God give you person power, no use to overrule your people. Nobody will not get used. Nobody will not be important. Even if better way dey your street, dey important. In life, everybody is useful. Na God destiny. He get wetin God wan use you for.
Okay, my comrade, this matter so because the matter when we ask, we never settle around.
Go ahead.
We don't go another matter come this one now. Because what people dey hear now be say, you see that Bayelsa state governor, when we see the when they elect under APC, when they come dey move for court, na WAEC na it enter. So wetin come be the matter now be say, before when they get many things, they say this man don go forge. They say wetin you get na even forge and one way you get for University of Ibadan. Now with more information with that, now you dey the APC secretariat with that. So say if person dey post for there, they say na forge. According to the information so far, they say na forge results. Right now, he can get 3 credits for that thing. We will use that one take contest 3 credits or take go school.
Well, with primary school and secondary school wey me go. Even though you get credit, you not get maths and English, you are going nowhere.
Okay. You not get maths, you not get
Listen now.
Okay.
Where me go reach? If you not pass maths and English, you are not going anywhere. If you pass maths and English, economics, religion, then what do you call it? At times, even when we were secondary school, now then we can't know what to be hard maths.
Okay.
I don't know if you understand. The maths, a guy take day, you know the math.
Those are further maths, abi?
Yeah, further maths. Now hard maths we dey call am that time.
Okay, okay.
For our time, it's further maths. So all these things, they there. School, your classmate know wetin you carry.
No be lie.
Like me now, people wey me start school with, the year 1976, 75, wey me start primary 1 with. Those people today, I know them, we know ourselves. Some don be lady, some don be big mama, some don be big boy, some be police officer, some be army officer, some don retire, you know, based on the way you want to serve. So your classmates, you know get how you want to do, they know you. So far now the year wey you say you serve, no say this year, that year me dey this school now, you know so this, you know so this. Result of a thing, it will be so, it go too dey back. Say all these insult wey we all dey receive since, and all these things wey dey happen since, say person wey dey rule us no get result.
Hey, je koko.
Na fuck up.
It matter.
No.
Hey, what you want to go the matter?
Na shame na.
What you want to go the matter?
Disappointing.
Oh my goodness.
Abeg lis ten to me.
I dey hear you.
If it be say na truth, that result was tempered with. That is advanced fee fraud.
Hey.
We call it advanced fee fraud. The meaning of advanced fee fraud na international for one, and you don migrate, you fit do anything.
International for
You don take wey you take for the matter, for you to fit change matter to matter. I don't know if you you say me I speak broken, I not sabi like that.
Speaker, you want to speak
Because my father na discipline man. If you speak of God, you are dying.
Speakers, you want to speak am.
Okay, now if na true say my brother result na wetin dem dey talk, I no blame anybody sha.
See matter o.
I no blame anybody sha.
Okay.
I go blame Benin people wey dey allow, if una know say una do all this one, why una no let me contest with my secondary school?
What was myself?
No, my brother, wait abeg. My classmate dey Benin, wey me and I go. If they me know say wait, if me know say na this result na dey temper with am, wetin stop me not to contest?
Kabaka for governor. Kabaka for governor.
My brother,
Wait, the matter.
wait,
You go where abi?
wait, he no get.
Na the parliament.
Hello, listen, he no get. Governorship is not a thing of a child play. But if you have the brain, it's not by education. Look at people that are ruling us. Look at, sorry to say, the deputy claimed himself because he brought out his normal result, that the level that is he acquired. But you cannot say what you did not, what you have not acquired in life.
It's matter go
What
out to
you
say
never reach, you say na so. So my brother, if na true, APC, una do well sha, but una no still do well. I join, I mean, no, Kabaka, you do well, una no still do well. Now the way this pattern come be now, because that bias I don show them sense. You see something happen for good thing to come up. That bias I don show them sense, and if they try this one, you go hey. One person you just person wey no labour go collect am from a distance.
We need to prevent that, you know.
Lis ten to me.
Okay.
You see, make we no talk like, make una clear am well.
Okay.
Make we no go cook soup finish before we say make we back for make we come eat am. Person don say the soup don vanish. Now na fuck up o. We work we work for government now. We be like opposition. We work for Buhari o. We work for Buhari. We work for this present government. For our state, we be like senior opposition for the same party. Na so they take dey play politics. Na everybody dey put hand. My brother, this one wey una dey this result matter. More na shine una touch o. More na shine una eye. More na no come use am too. Person don labour finish. Party wey no try go come carry am. Abeg o, abeg, professor and the rest wey una dey tell them wey dem say make go into screening.
Professor,
come out with the truth and nothing but the truth.
Okay.
Don't be biased. If Obaseki go school, more na tell us. If he not go, more na tell us. More not go gamble with am. If he go and say they just dey talk am.
okay.
If more kudos for him.
Okay.
Nobody wey no dey get challenge for life. No be wetin dey take person am. Na your brother go tell you say you no go, your man dey smell. Na your brother go tell you say wetin you wear so you no wear am like this. Na your friend go even tell you. So my brother, is nothing that will take person am. If you go school, may God help us. May God learn wetin dem dey talk.
sorry the matter no easy to settle since this matter water the matter no easy e no easy e don dey come for the matter make una fair water come e don dey come for the matter.
dey talk, you no go.
Go be water abeg before you go come.
Come and give me water.
Abeg. The matter na serious matter.
In this life, wetin you be tell people say na wetin I be this. Don't pretend. Wetin you wan pretend for? No be God do am for everybody. So my brother, this matter is very dangerous and dicey.
Hey, no be talk for the matter.
It's very dangerous and dicey. May God forbid say all this trouble not come up. We can't try am. We for regret. Something happen for something to be good. But people not go understand. So all these people wey dey sleep big grammar, we go dey check them well, and I swear to God.
Relax now. Shaba, you no talk for the matter.
If they dey talk this matter, me e dey tire me. E dey tire me say all these days wey we just dey sapra dey sapro pro. So no school, no certificate.
See matter o.
My brother, we are in a democracy. You have a right to say what you are saying. It's never a crime.
At all.
If Kabaka is a criminal, if Kabaka did not attend secondary school, primary school, I'm here in Benin, come and tell me.
Okay.
Come and prove me wrong.
Okay.
I know my classmate, my secondary school classmates. I know my primary school classmates. So I keep surprised. Anywhere you go school, you must know your age group.
Classmate must dey.
Even though it's not your age group, it's not compulsory you must attend school with your age group. Like me, I went to school with my age group. I went to school with junior class because I was not that smart and good at book. You can't lie. If I were good at book, my family were ready. If I were good at book, I supposed to be a graduate for now. But the little I have can help me, and God is answering me. So I'm okay with comfort. I don't know if you understand.
The matter
this result matter.
Yeah.
The matter wey sour.
Okay. E sour. The matter sour. E don tell me e dey preach. E don sour. You see, the matter e don pass water o, cause right now.
See. You can hide it for man. You can hide it for man. You may cover your sin, nobody will know. You cannot hide it for God.
Hey, now I enter, so can I get back?
You can hide it for man. You can hide it for man. You may cover your sin, nobody will know. You cannot hide it for God.
Hey, we are here in new track. The matter we dey settle, the matter parliament today. We dey talk truth, nothing but the truth. Now preaching you show the yana for here. You understand? Na Kabaka just dey, they don't give out that. He don't talk since. He don't talk say right now. So say person wey be say you carry certificate we get you suppose present am, not present wetin you no get. If you still get people wey say you know say before you go school, make you carry the come out when they go attend to you say you go school. University of Ibadan, if you go, make you go bring people wey attend that school with you. They come to say you go. And the certificate, the one we say we see for Chris Ogemon, you own, it come different from the one we see for the governor own. And at the same time, they take graduate. Now the matter be this.
Ogemoyi. He classmate for this Benin.
Okay.
Ogemoyi classmate for this Benin.
Chimata.
Ogemoyi, I small when I don't dey hear Ogemoyi. I dey small wey Ogemoyi don dey share things when I small for school. They say Chris Ogemoyi. You understand? We dey see him book, we dey see him contribution. Even when he dey NNPC, I know how many Benin people he help. I don't know if you understand. Ogemoyi go school, but this fight wey dey ground, Ogemoyi capable, but this one, no matter where he strong. Na person wey fit am, na he come out so. Yes, now Pastor Sage Ezeyamu na he fit am. He say na another person na give since. Even though na do direct or na do indirect or na do obviously. My governor for the drink champagne quietly.
Now make us give Ezeyamu now.
Yes, sir. When you may I tell you, if not be Osage, we una give. Una know wetin le man dey call that man don ruin day. Una for ruin day.
For Runde.
You know the meaning of ruin
I
day?
don't know about tell me.
You for dey sleep for chair. Where you sit down.
Runde. For the Runde.
Ruin day.
Okay.
Oh, but you know say this power wey we take to dey talk so. We rub Ezeyamu if we say we talk true. Me and Kabaka dey here and we rub.
They say we drop Ezeyamu.
Yes, that mandate. Na we thief am. No.
Oh, this matter.
When only, hey, quiet.
Yeah.
When only Ezeyamu stand. Now they say Kabaka, now you interview me, now you want to go in one again. When Ezeyamu was standing alone.
Yes.
But not be here. We hear am for body.
As you many rich.
Even for that PP.
Yes, sir.
But I say we hear am. That man know where he leg no dey touch you. You know see governor the battle result in the campaign dey work inside. That man don work o. Even na only my bedroom he never enter.
You go enter.
That man don follow everywhere o. Where you no be pastor Osage.
Abeg tell me.
My brother, if you dey celebrate say your dog born, Pastor Osage Ezeyamu go come join you. You go surprise. You know be pastor. Abeg leave that thing.
What if one man go?
No wetin be grassroots.
Come on, my baby.
Come on, my baby.
Yes.
Where you? I say e no dey tire, e no dey pain, e no dey heavy am, e no dey feel reluctant. That man, him brain I no know where go for. He's a generous man. Let me use that English. Ọmọ náà gbẹgbọ wọn. Person wey love everybody.
If you give one correct bugger song.
May I sing? May I sing English?
Anyone you want sing, me you say fit Ezeyamu. Me you say go be as you want go do screening now.
Okay.
The screening.
All right. Now Benin I'll take not this one.
Welcome.
Wàpọ̀ mi Jésù n'oge ọbẹ̀ mọ̀ta inú ẹ̀gẹ̀ n'egi ana mọ̀ kórè ọ̀nà rí okwu ayáwé egi amọ̀ bọ̀ ní agadi ẹsẹ̀ ní ẹ̀yà mẹ́ra bí ó wà ní akéyò ní akéré ògbọ̀gbọ̀ láì bí ó wà ẹ̀ o. Ní akéyò ní akéré before they go come happiness don enter Ezeyamu house because God no dey sleep. My brother. You no get how you wan serve God reach even though you be devil we go see answer you. You no know how many times Ezeyamu don contest o. Abracadabra ebezuzu trabakacho.
Abracadabra ebezuzu.
No cut your tongue.
Abeg talk again. You go teach me all this.
Abracadabra ebezuzu trabakacho.
Abracadabra ebezuzu trabakacho. I no talk again. I no talk again.
You never do leman na we don do alemajiri. Before God answer us. I make all the leman for Benin and maybe their papa. We suffer well, we not just jump enter inside.
I be king of leman.
From nonsense, you gather sense. But I grew up, all my children, they attended the Benin from there to university.
Your children?
Yes, now, even though I don't get work. So because I vow for my life, the way I take grow, I don't want me my children grow like that.
Wait water. Hey, this matter don't tear apart. I beg drink water. This matter don't tear apart. I no go lie with now because as we dey like this now. Kabaka, whether I don't settle the matter, we don't know. We don't know. You go meet that tire. Whether I don't settle, we don't know.
Matter scatter.
No, matter scatter.
Matter scatter.
Matter don't scatter.
Plenty yakpa. Eh? Matter scatter. Matter yakpa. Okay, which one we want solve for inside? Now the politician, you know what? God not dey sleep. I want wait. I want tell you one place. So he say, this our brother. Now politician with them. Now I get quarrel. Oshomole for come now. Come to put. But he want make mistake. He can't add Oshomole.
Join the matter.
Join the matter.
Oshomole join the matter. No beg. Make I bring another water for her.
No, I get what.
You get water.
Now, who want come settle matter? Matter never get as it be. Matter never get as it be. You dey hear me so? When we start am, we politician, we don cry go meet Oshomole more than 100 times. Oshomole come dey give us hope wey Nigeria give Abiola. When he don read the time, then they add Oshomole now say, oh God, Baba Jesu.
He do well.
Ah, Baba Baba ni Baba Je. I say, Baba, you do well.
Why you go dey praise Baba for social media?
Yeah. If the Oshomole no enter this matter, they no drag and join politician. Now if I beg for this man, we for not fit talk. If Oshomole don't carry person, he no guy you want to, he no dey throw away.
Nobody for fit talk again.
Yeah. When they bring this man, I know wetin we see. I know wetin we see. Oh Bob, I want to ask you a question.
I dey hear.
Now broken, they say freedom of speech.
Yes.
Okay, now I want to tell you now. Let's assume this water na mango. The pluck and give me the tell me I go sell her. It can't dey green like this. I carry am meet this one say which kind of mango be this? It's not right. I carry am meet this one, it's not right. Oh, but we can't use overnight. Put covered and dust of fire.
Covered.
Ashes. We can't overnight before they break. We can't make the mango ripe.
You go ripe overnight.
As we flash am, this one say bring am, this one say bring am.
They want shop am.
Everybody want chop am. I will sell am for all of them.
I beg, what you use am be?
I talk in parable.
Okay.
Oh, guys,
If you know, you know.
no, don't go understand. It not be painful thing in life. I want to be politician. Where anybody where God answer. Even though God answer the present governor today again, and anybody where they come on board, I want advice now. People where they labor follow now. Man, I know they neglect them. Oh, they be like those wood where they put for your father ancestors. Where una dey serve una ancestor. Benin they call am okure. As he did there, so it is say no, they know wetin dey happen for inside your house. Now okure wise pass all of una. Benin dey use am make parable. Okure na viogo ọmọ turn all the gbenu where we wan re na gbe ye. I don't know if you understand.
Una understand?
And again, Benin people wey you see so, they no dey come meet you. They must not gather and take decision. But na one word na dey their belle. That thing, you know the loss. Edo Yuma, Mokpa, Orient Eko. All this one a politician on they one side, politician with the neglect. They say lie. This man now will come again. After we don't suffer for 4 years, like opposition, result they one side. Court they one side. Which one you want make I settle? May you talk the one way you want.
Matter yakba. Now the result matter we carry come here. Now we concentrate for here because right now so you don't talk on the matter. What me can conclude for your own talk? You say anybody wey be say go school with them, make the person make it come identify and say yes, you really go University of Ibadan.
Go school with them. With credential, your documents speak. You think say if me know say that they use primary school till they contest governor, that they use secondary school contest governor, wetin stop me for non commerce?
You don't late. This form so don't late. This form.
You know, listen. When you listen, my brother.
I hear you.
And God can't do am. One thing wey people need to understand in politics, wey some people dey fail for politics. If God destine you as a kingmaker, people wey dey fight, the person go mobilize, support person, the person go succeed. Those are kingmaker, abi? Kingmaker not supposed to dey contest. Yeah. Kingmaker, e get where matter dey reach. People wey know kingmaker, dey listen in life or even want to be transparent.
Okay.
People wey know kingmaker say this man na so e be. Now dem go come out, come call kingmaker say abeg, na you we want for this thing abeg. Na only you go fit help us.
Okay.
Like the way we dey beg Isaiah Musu.
Okay. Na kingmaker.
For political matter. Our word wey dey this. All unit wey dey your word. If you ask Isaiah Musu, he go tell you.
You know am.
He know am. Unity go mention am, this one name, this one name. First wey read politics right from small pikin. But not go there. That one kind person, those kind person, they cannot afford to neglect politicians because they know their worth. They cannot afford not to develop their state because they know the consequences, they know the return of the marks. I don't know if you understand.
I got your point.
But people that doesn't know, they don't know. You just say who suffer for APC go use and gamble like this. Who suffer for APC go use and gamble like this. My brother, I don't talk my own. Result matter. My blame, I Mona not veto. If they pursue us, na court with the fixing, I go rescue common men. Okay. For this result matter to take it like this for court, well, many things not they capable. Sorry to say, God bless you, my brothers.
Okay, before we go end this live program, this matter na parliament matter. We dey settle matter for here. If you get matter where you know say you want me to settle, we go settle around. Just call. If I just send us message, nah, we go settle the matter. You know they had us. We go call person, the person go talk on the matter, go settle around. For this matter, so Kabaka don't talk on the matter, and we don't hear. You say we don't hear. But before we come out for this matter, for this result matter, so Kabaka will give us one sweet song wey befits this result matter. But before then, how you receive this matter, brother?
All wetin Baba tell you na true.
Na true, abi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are not part of the parliament as you don't hear. So what you want of the matter?
The truth of the matter be say, my brother, a no grassroots politician wey we know, no be brother Godwin. When any of us
na truth dey tell you.
We agree.
Parliament don talk o. Parliament don talk o. The matter we don settle am for here. Obaseki make you go do as you wan do am o. Because me no fit talk on the matter sef. See we dey find people wan settle the matter since we don see one. He don talk on the matter and they say they agree. Parliament don agree for the matter. So the matter e don settle. But if you know say you know the matter no settle reach, be message us. If you see get wetin you wan talk on the matter, make you let us know. We go settle am. We go come meet you, make you settle this matter for us. If na you fit say you fit settle am, pass the road, not to settle am for here for this parliament. Baba, before we comot, make you do am for us. Talk am just now.
Wetin say me I go?
I say make you use one because you na those state political Davido. Make you use one sweet one. Take do this matter. Those state political Davido. You not come for us. They will take come up for the line.
The music wey I get now, e no go come out now.
Hey.
Na after when I don see say whether our party for this result matter, that they talk the truth or that they cover some kind thing.
Okay.
because result they know they head down anywhere they you don't bring. If you ask me now where's your secondary school, I all run go my power.
And you all complete 5.
I get secondary school. I get common entrance.
5 credits.
We do common entrance that time for school. I get common. Listen, I get common entrance. I get my report card. That one wey dey fold 3 times. First thing the open right hand. I get my report card. You know wetin be report card? Dem dey fold down. If you no dey try the right hand very good in class. If you be a bezuzu don say is a noise maker in the class. Dem no dey tell me. My own very stubborn.
Very stubborn.
For your result, you know be Adamu. Your teacher, your miss, you know wetin you be. You say it's ready to learn, but very stubborn. He need patience. No right and proof. So your pal can't know how he want to manage you if you reach out. They know they tell man now. Not be from nonsense with the gather sense.
We don't talk about the matter. We don't talk about. So one end now. Since you not give us any music now.
No, my music dey come after whether I see. You know, say I want look whether truth dey this life.
Okay. No wahala.
I dey wait for 2 truths.
No wahala.
One matter dey call dey destroy my heart. Second one, dey show 2 results. I wan know whether Nigeria dey talk true.
Okay. You wan know that Nigeria?
The album wey me wan launch, you go hello.
I go dey there.
I don't say people
I go dey there.
drop am now.
I go dey there. Make you let me back up. Make you give us snippets.
Me I give you
just small one.
That small. Una don start again. I don't know say Kabaka go school pass you. We don't know say Kabaka go school pass you. You go dey pra, you go dey pro. Bye bye to 4G governor.
Una do. Share this video. Una share very well. Thank you very much.